Hey everyone, want to borrow crypto without selling your assets? Today I'll show you how to get a loan on Binance in just a few steps. Let's dive in. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete your KYC. It's quick. Once you're in, hover over Finance in the top menu, then click Crypto Loans. Easy so far, right? Now pick your loan type, flexible or fixed. Choose the crypto you want to borrow like USDT and the collateral, say BTC. Enter the amount you need and select the loan term, 7 days or 180 days for fixed or open-ended for flexible. Check the interest rate and loan-to-value ratio on the right, then hit Start Borrowing Now. Next, review the terms, agree to them, and click Confirm. Your collateral moves from your spot wallet and boom, the borrowed funds hit your account instantly. Use them for trading, staking, or whatever you want. To repay, go to Ongoing Orders, click Repay, and settle the interest and principal. Pro tip, watch your LTV and avoid liquidation if prices drop. Repay early with no penalties. That's it, guys. Super simple. Binance loans are a great way to unlock liquidity. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.